stormy ocean, looking for a brand new day. Left the struggles of my homeland so far away. I landed in the UK with hope inside my chest, and there I found a shelter, a place where I could rest. The Queen, she held the scepter with grace upon her throne. She made this foreign island feel like a place called home. Gifted, Tia, gifted, si jalana, gifted. Oh, the Queen Elizabeth, you were good, you were kind, a beautiful soul, the sweetest peace of mind. You gave me my freedom, a chance to rise up high. Now we say rest in peace as your spirit takes the sky. R.I.P. Mama Queen, oh, your memory shine bright, a guiding star forever in the reggae night. Gifted, Tina, gifted, I go. Mano, yeah. Whoa, banana, banana. Some people see a crown, but I felt a gentle hand that welcomed the stranger into this historic land. No matter where you came from, she showed her dignity, a beautiful lady who championed liberty. So I played the bass line heavy and the rhythm soft and sweet, to honor the monarch who made my life complete. Oh, oh, Queen Elizabeth, you were good, you were kind, a beautiful soul, the sweetest peace of mind. You gave me my freedom, a chance to rise up high. Now we say rest in peace as your spirit takes the sky. R.I.P. Mama Queen, your memory shine bright, a guiding star forever in the reggae night. From London down to Kingston, the praises must be sung for the long, long years of service and the good that you have done. Beautiful in spirit, beautiful in heart. Even though you're gone now, your legacy won't part. Oh, Queen Elizabeth, you were good, you were kind, a beautiful soul, the sweetest peace of mind. You gave me my freedom, a chance to rise up high. Now we say rest in peace as your spirit takes the sky. R.I.P. Mama Queen, your memory shine bright, a guiding star forever in the reggae night. Rest in peace, yeah. Oh, Mama Queen, rest in absolute peace. Thank you for the freedom, thank you for the life, a beautiful soul shining in the light. Rastafari, guide your spirit home. R.I.P. Queen Elizabeth. Gifted, Tina, gifted, si jalana.